Look at two civil engineer. One is working 12-hour shift for 3 lakhs a year in the dust. Other is sitting in the AC room designing a multi-million dollar projects and taking home 15 lakhs a year. Which one you want to be? If you are deciding to take admission into civil engineering this year, right now, don't listen to the people that civil engineering is dead, because civil engineering is going biggest technological revolution inside the whole world, because top multinational civil engineering firms like AECOM, Jacobs don't want the traditional site supervisors. They want digitally savvy engineers who know the technology and also the civil engineering concepts. Today, I am going to give you the 4-year roadmap using which you can go from a tier 3 civil engineer to highly paid civil engineering expert at top firms of the world. So stick till the end, because I will also be giving you the ideas how you can leverage these skills to build your own business if you don't want to do job inside the civil engineering market. Step 1. Erase the thought that civil engineering graduates don't need programming, because if you want to become the engineer that gets paid 7 to 10 LPA instead of 3 to LPA, you have to adapt the new technologies. In your first year of engineering, don't only excel in the college exam but also start learning different skills. First, start learning AutoCAD because it is the absolute foundation. But don't stop here. You will also need to learn Python programming. Yes, Python programming, because it is becoming absolute basic programming language for modern civil engineers. Learn all the concepts of Python programming like loops, arrays, if-else statements, object-oriented programming, etc. Because imagine if you go for the civil engineering job interview and you tell the interviewer that you don't just calculate the load on the beam manually. I wrote a Python script that can calculate thousands of variations of the load in just mere of 3 seconds. How that interviewer will feel? That instantly puts you into the top 1% of the students. Welcome to year 2. This is where you have to separate yourself from the normal crowd. The global industry has moved forward from the 2D drawings. They use softwares like building informational modeling, so you have to learn the Autodesk Revit and Civil 3D, because BIM engineers at top MNCs usually command 7 to 10 LPA as their starting salary, and this grows to 18 to 20 LPA rapidly in the mere of 2 to 3 years. Next, you have to prove you are elite even if your college isn't. How? You have to destroy the competition on the national stages. Start participating in the competition like ACAR, Asia's largest civil engineering competition held at IIT Bombay, because you don't need to be an IITian to participate in the competitions like this. Enter the competitions like Bridge It, where you compete building the truss bridges. Also compete in the competition like Crackathon, where you actually use AI to find defects inside the roads. Winning or even participating in this competition eventually puts you into the league that neutralizes your tier 3 college disadvantage. Year 3, it is the inflection point. You will specifically learn the Indian Standard Codes for construction, specifically IS 456 for concrete and IS 800 for steel, because companies will grill you in the interviews on this. But on the tech side, you will combine your knowledge learnt in the year 1 and year 2 and start using the Python packages that are specifically made for the civil engineering, like re-intermediate beam for structural analysis and concrete properties for the reinforced concrete calculations. Now, let's talk about the green premium. The whole world is moving towards the sustainable infrastructure. You can grab different professional certifications. You can grab different certification that will prove your knowledge in green building principles. LEED Green Associate Exam, Indian Green Building Council Associate Exam. These certifications for a 21-year college student is a massive flex. which companies look for. In year 4, you will actually apply for the internship that will give you the practical knowledge of the construction sector inside India. If you want to get hired for the companies like L&T, you need to maintain overall 60 CGPA for all the 4 years. But here is one thing I found out. There is one program called L&T Build India Scholarship, under which L&T will literally sponsor your MTech inside the top institute like IIT Madras, IIT Delhi, etc., and also give you the job after you do the masters at the position of executive engineer. Also, you can participate in the competition called Createch by L&T, which can also give you the pre-placement offers. If you don't want to do the job and want to be your own boss, then the skills I told you are the foundation for the civil engineering startups inside India. You can start BIM consulting agency. Most of the local builders and tier 2 contractors don't have any knowledge about Revit and Naviswork. You can start a freelance agency. You can offer them services like 3D clash detection and automated material estimation. If you can save the builder 10% of the material that goes to the waste, you can take a massive cut. You can start sustainable consultancy business using your IGBC certification. You can advise builders to how to get their buildings green certified so that they can sell their flat at the premium. See, I am the student and I am also researching which degree fits best to my the capabilities. I know different students have different capabilities and different circumstances, but these videos which I am making will definitely help the people to take the wise decision before choosing a wrong branch, and also plan out your 4 years to navigate unsustainable markets due to AI. Thank you. Signing off, Polito Surgeon. Like, share and subscribe.